Hey guys, how's it going? JD here. So I had somebody who asked me to do a live recording of a trading session. So here we go. All right, we're gonna just record my whole trading day here. So this could be a long video. Hope you hang in and stick with me. I'm definitely gonna show you some things, maybe shine some light on day trading for you. Also, I'm gonna do some housekeeping right away because I've had some other questions just about chart setups. So while we're waiting to see what the market is gonna do, I'll go over that real quick, right? But first, how do you come into the market? Come into the market like this. This is what I came into the market thinking. Anything can happen, right? I'm not coming in thinking, okay, we're going higher today because we went higher yesterday, or we're going higher today because we went lower yesterday, right? I'm coming to the market right now. Anything can happen, right? Anything can happen because in the market, anything can happen, right? Even if you've been trending all day, thing can turn on a dime and then trend hard the other way. Anything can happen. So I'm coming into the market today and every day neutral, right? Neutral. I'm just going to read the price chart as it is, see what's going on right now. You know, we got this huge gap right here. Huge gap. There's people who gonna say you always feel the gap. There's some people say you normally don't feel the gap until like a couple days. Who knows? I don't have the numbers to say what's right, what's wrong. I've seen it happen both ways, right? So this gap don't matter, right? What matters is always for me the 21 EMA, which is white line right here. And this 21 EMA is telling me that, hey, right now we're in a strong trend. Even since the market opened, this gap created the trend, and we still haven't been able to get away from it. So I'm looking for some type of setup right here off this 21 EMA, and we're getting close to it also. Right now it's 9:05 Eastern Standard Time. Anytime after 8:30 to me is fine to start trading. So if I was to get a setup before the market open, I'll take it. But let me answer a few of those questions I've had about charts. I know. So currently I have my I'm risking 3 points on my trade, so I actually have my chart set up for 3 points here. Each one of these horizontal lines is 3 points, so I can make sure that I'm within that when I enter. And somebody was asking me, because I initially said I used to have it at 1 point. Somebody was asking me, how do I set that up? What you do is you click on the right axis here, go to properties, the horizontal grid lines, you would change it to fixed. I think it'd be on automatic. I think you change it to fixed and put it on points. I want to go by points. You also can have this by ticks or pips. And then the grid lines, I want 3. I used to have it on 1, so I can tell how far 1 point is, but I actually want to tell how far 3 points is today. Okay, so that's on 3. You hit okay. All right. Let me think. It was some other question somebody was asking me. Ooh, slipping my mind. It's hard to show. What else was somebody asking me? Well, let me show you how you change your profit, your P&L to points or ticks or pips to kind of get your mind away from the money. So you right click here, just anywhere over all the way to the right. In that area, you hit properties. Boom, yep. And right here, P&L display unit, put it to whatever. So I used to have it on currency, but I'm trying to get my mind just thinking about my process. So you can put it on percent, pips, points, or ticks. Ooh, percent is good. I was thinking about percents yesterday, just from a compounding situation. Didn't know that they had percents. This would be awesome if you just want to try to make 5% a day. Turn that sucker to percent. You see 5%, hit close. Something to think about. Okay, so we'll leave it on points. Okay, and as we see right now, we've had a new high. All right, so we can start our count. This currently is a push down. We broke higher than this candle right here with this one. This is a first entry. So I would love for this thing to push down, stall right here at the 21 EMA and give me a second entry long right off to start the day. That would be awesome, because right out the gate, I'm expecting another, I probably can go another leg of this distance right here. And that right there is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. I mean, that's almost 20 points. And here we come. So we may get a trade here. Shortly. It was something else somebody was asking me about. Oh, somebody was asking about the 2000 ticks, like it doesn't be here. It's not here. When you first get an account, you have to hit configure, and then you would just say tick. Then you would just hit add here, I think, and put the value. Let's see if I can say 5,000. Okay, now 5,000 is there. You just hit OK, and now in your drop down, there it is, 5,000. And you can do that for anything else, minutes, seconds, ranges, all that good stuff. Okay. I think was there something else somebody was asking me. That actually might have been it. Oh, no. It was, oh, yes, it was the last thing somebody was asking. When they take trades, it was leaving like the entry price and everything on the chart all the time. And after a while, that makes the chart look kind of ugly. So what you do is you click here on data series. You scroll all the way to the bottom, plot executions. I turn mine to do not plot, or you can make it markers only. What you have it on right now is text and marker. That's why it's clogging up your chart. So you can change that to just do not plot, and then hit apply and okay. All right, so I'm actually gonna run and get some oatmeal, get some breakfast in me before this day gets going, and hopefully we get a second entry long to start the day here. Oh man, so as you see here, we got the push down first entry, got some rejection here, bam, shot up, made a new high. Now we got to reset the count. So we're in a waiting game. I'm currently 36, you know, we're about 7 to 8 points away from the 21 EMA now. But you clearly see we are clearly trending at this point, clearly trending. So we're looking for longs, right? At this point, we're looking for longs, right? That's it. All the evidence of the current market condition is 9:14, and the current market condition is telling us to look for longs. So I'm about to eat my breakfast, and then I'll be back. So we made the new high. We're working our way down, so we restart the count. But now it's just lower. So we haven't even had a first entry yet. Market is going to open up in 2 minutes. So that's going to make things get a little cray-cray. See what we do from here. I wonder if we're going to push straight through the EMA, which would give us no setup, or if it's going to stop perfectly, push up a little bit, come back, then push up. So interesting. But once the market goes, we're gonna see. Or is it going to start to dump to actually try, and I was pointing at my computer, y'all, to actually try to fill this gap? Jury's out on that. Jury is out on that. But this is where trading comes into like a sport to me sometimes, because you know 9:30 is like kickoff, right? You know, for you football fans, it's like tip off. For you basketball fans, it's like tee off for your golf fans. So here we go. Now, if this candle was to push higher, that would be cool. That would give us our first entry. But we'll see. But what we saw here is that look at how as soon as it hit the 21 EMA, rejection. That would be a sign of the trend continuing. All right, we got 20 seconds until tip off. I'm gonna go with tip off. I actually played basketball. Now we're getting that strong push. Is this a trap for shorts? We'll see. Some people may be saying, oh, yep, that trend is over. We're going short now, which would be a trap. It could be a trap. Excuse me. Could be a trap. Jury's out. Oh, game time. I was talking. Now the way we're pushing through, you know, kind of all bets are off right now to go long, because we shot through that EMA just too strong. Kind of what I was thinking. But that's the beauty of price action. You know, if you don't get your setup, like this was a new high, push down first entry, push down second entry long. When you get this one, bam, and look, low, push up, higher low, go right there. Either one of those would have, you know, been a good win. But now that we've pushed so strong back through the EMA, we gotta wait. You know, we gotta wait and see. We're under the 21 EMA now, so anything can happen. Now we could push back up strong, but at this point, we have to wait for prices to get back above the 21 EMA before we could go long. And we can't go short yet because of the market cycle. This is a trend up. We now have a trend break. This could simply be setting up a retest to new highs. So we still can't go short it yet. So we can't go short, can't go long. We have to wait. It's the waiting game. This is actually just the first entry. I mean, if it was to close up strong. Yeah, I mean, look, these were all lower. This is the first entry. Wow. It took back all this action here. This was we kind of could look at this as a range. We broke out here. This is a pullback. Like, let's just see. I mean, we don't have enough touches to really call this a range, but it just looked rangy to me through here. Right, that just looks rangy. Oh, but look, look at there. We are back above the 21 EMA. So now I could get a wifey trade. If I could get a green, red, green, but man, we push back up strong. See the trap for all the shorts here? They are currently trapped. Thinking that uptrend was over. But for us who know price action, we know trend up, trend break, retest to new high. This thing looks like it wants to leave us though. If it's gonna give us a trade or not. We need one more pullback. Get us a lower high. Here's a low, matching bottom low. Push up. We need this thing to come back. Give us a higher low. Come on, push down one more time first. Let's go. Ooh, this looking like a rally-based rally. But it is so far away from the 21 EMA. Your best entries are on, off, or around the 21 EMA. This was a massive candle here though. This was a 4-point candle here. If not 4.5. That was a big boy. Okay, the high is here. And I don't think we're gonna get it. I think it's gonna make a new high on us and take off. This thing might get to trucking today. If it breaks high, well, there we go. So now you restart the count. We got a new high in place. This thing is trucking. This base rally was official. But we've now had a trend up, trend break, retest a new high. This little market cycle could be over. So, but the 21 EMA is still telling me we're in a nice uptrend. Had a nice pullback, did not last long, and boom, took it all back fast. I mean, it's only 9:35. The market only been open 5 minutes, and we done shot down, shot back up. Got some little volume today, but we got a new high, so we restart the count. We're looking for a second entry to happen right off of this 21 EMA. This candle was to break slightly higher would be wonderful. That'd be our first entry. There it is. One more tick. We actually, oh my goodness. We needed one more tick. Now I need this candle to push up and give us that one tick to truly be a first entry. And we got Darius matching tops. Come on, one more tick. Don't stop playing. Oh my goodness. Triple top. Come on, give me. We just want one tick higher. We ain't gonna get it. We are not gonna get it. This is a matching top here. Wow. Look at that. I mean, 34.50. Ain't no question. 34.50. So we technically do not have our first entry yet. This might be it here. Nope. This might be it. Maybe we get it here. Come on. Come on. This would be real interesting if this can't do it. All right. We actually have a first entry now. Question is this thing gonna keep going and make a new high? Yes, it is. There's a new high. Okay, so we got an uptrend today. Got an uptrend. We just gotta wait for our shot. Here's the new high, so we restart the count. Prices are getting congested though. We're starting to kind of bunch up through here, where it might not be a bad idea if you might could do something like this. And we want to see the breakout to the short side. We want to see a failed breakout, then come back in. And let me take a quick screenshot. Sorry, guys, I gotta post this in the community. Just what I'm seeing in the market so far. All right, got a new high. Hey, this time we gotta push down first entry. As long as this candle doesn't break higher. Which it is clearly trying to do. Ooh, matching top. I don't like that. See, now if this candle pushed down, came back to the EMA, I still would be skeptical because the first entry nearly made a new high. I mean, it matched it. So technically you could actually restart the count from here because of these matching highs. Get that out the way, it's kind of in the way. Another new high. Okay. Another new high. We just kind of slowly trucking along. I mean, this is pretty slow, but it's trending, you know. It's just got a little slow grind to it. Slow, you know, but it's trending, but it's just slow with it. All right, here we go. Back to 21 EMA. See if the 21 EMA holds, or if we push through strong. Okay, got some rejection there. But this is all down. Here's a high, lower, lower, lower. We don't have a first entry yet. Patience, patience, patience. We just need this candle to break higher here. That'll give us our first entry. Come on, baby. Do the hokey pokey. There we go. We now have a first entry. Man, these candles are, I was about to say, I'm looking at the tick counter, like it's going kind of slow, but it sped as soon as I thought about it, it sped up. But that was technically a first entry, even if this candle closes funny. There we go. Now we need one more push back down. Oh, here we go. Oh, come on down. Come on lower, come on lower, come on lower. I would love for this candle to push all the way down here and then hammer up. That would be gorgeous, gorgeous looking setup. But even if this one just pushes down, sets up the next one to push lower and then hammer up, either one would set up a second entry long. But I really want this candle to push, close lower here. But I'll be honest, it's looking like a low, push up higher, low. I just don't like that I don't have no color here. Patience, patience. So as you can see though, you see a clear second entry though. Here's the high, clear push down, first entry, right? Now if we come back strong again, this will be 2 attempts lower. If both attempts lower fail, we're going long. This is actually setting up rather nicely. Yes, we want this candle to close strong. Boom. All right, we in the game. We in the game. Here's the high. Push down. First entry, push down. We got 2 legs back. All right. Ooh, look, it's doing just what I said, y'all. It's coming down. I want this thing to turn into a hammer up. It's okay. We still okay because this candle just broke lower. If this one turns into the hammer up, we get our second entry long. There's the hammer.
Order filled.
We're in. It was a weak hammer, but hammer now nonetheless. I really would have wanted that to close strong above the 21 EMA. gonna see. We just one contract to see if we're gonna be right. We push up strong, get a wifey trade, we probably can add on. Get on through that EMA.
Stop filled.
Wasn't to be, y'all. Wasn't to be. This hammer up had a little stem. You know, had a little stem. It also didn't break higher than here. You know, this was a risky trade. It was a risky trade. Now this one looks better, right? But now we're gonna wait for it to get above the 21 EMA, because at this point we have had a trend up, trend break, retest a new high, and it got real soft up here. Ooh, I'll tell you what I see now though. This is a high. We're gonna wife trade in the other direction. Dud it out. Hands up. Hands up. We're under the 21 EMA. We're in kind of no man's land, and we can't go short. Can't go long. Although, who knows? Anything can happen. Anything can happen. We're in no man's land. I shouldn't have took this. Candle wasn't strong enough. What was unfortunate is that I didn't get a setup through here, right? Like if we had got a wifey trade right here, this would have been gorgeous. You know, could have grabbed 3, 6, not 12 points. You know, this is what was unfortunate right here, that I didn't get any setup here. We are going short now though, people. These are making nice short patterns here. Yeah, it's real unfortunate that we couldn't get something. It just was no setup. No setup right here. It's unfortunate. Look all down, then bam. But like I say, now we've had a trend up, trend break, retest, man. So we could be coming down, trying to fill this gap now. Down here, 59.91. Also, we was at, man, we hit 60.39. I don't know what the all-time high is for S&P, but it's somewhere around 60.39. Yeah, I saw this coming. I saw this coming back here on this one. Then when I saw this one, that's 6 points right there, but you know, we gotta wait. The real entry was right here where I got knocked out at. This was a high, push down, lower high, got back under the EMA. That was actually this actually would have been one excellent entry right here to go short. Let's see what we're getting now. We're under the 21 EMA. We've had a leg down. This is a low. We're looking for a push up first entry. Push up second entry short. You know, at this point, look, we know we had a trend up, a trend break, a retest to new high. So this market cycle could very well be over. Look, this is a beautiful low push up. This is the first entry. So here's where you have to switch your mind to, all right, I ain't thinking long no more. I have to go with the current market, what the current market is saying. The current market is saying short, right? And we actually have a target today because of this humongous gap. It could really be trying to come to fill this gap. So unfortunately, it looks like it wants to leave us. It's leaving us, all right? Reset the count. But just think if you had to went long again here or here or here, Trap City, right? You have to trade what you currently are seeing right now. We're under the 21 EMA. And we got a nice downtrend going. Congested as this is, here's the low. All right, we got to push up first entry. We want to push up, bounce off this 21 EMA again for a second entry short. Push up. So congested, we just need to push up hard one more time, one more little push up. Come on, come on. Here we go. All right. Oof. There's some sellers out here. All right, here we go. All right. That was probably it, folks. Bam. There we go. Second entry short is coming, y'all. Second entry short. We got another leg like this coming. Push up first entry, push, push, push. We break back under this 21 EMA. Here we come. Now we can wait for the high, push down lower high. Because right now it's looking like it's gonna make a wifey trade long. We gonna see. Yeah, we can wait to see. Confirmation set up. Oh, here we come. Oh yeah. I'm gonna wait for this candle to close. That's why I'm gonna wait for this candle to close. Definitely making several attempts higher. it would be gorgeous if this turned into a falling hammer. That would be gorgeous. Okay. So I'm saying it just trapped everybody who's thinking long. Just trapped them by a tick. 2 ticks now. 3 ticks now. Now, you also can look at this. You know, I was counting this little one. We could even start. We can just say now we got a bigger one. We got an attempt higher. First entry. Another attempt higher. Coming back, second entry. Short. Right there.
Order filled.
Why is this so close? I'm saying that we could be looking at a leg like so. Let's do something like that. If I get here, I'll be moving into break even and add on.
Order filled. Stop filled.
All right, I didn't get the run I wanted. Happens. I got back some of, that first loss. We were up good. Actually, I didn't see how much we were up. But I'm still saying, hey, we're still going short here. EMA. We're above the 21 EMA now, but I'm seeing a change. So, and we didn't make this target. So if we can't break higher here, if we get a triple top and a falling hammer, yeah, I'm going again. Like that. Ooh, come on, hammer down, peoples. Hammer down. Ooh, come on. Hammer down. Let me get my finger on the trigger. Like I said, let me get my finger on the trigger. Let's see here. Hey, we can fill this gap. I mean, wouldn't shock me a bit. Wouldn't shock me at all. Or at least get to this leg for sure. Oh, by the way, when I get to 3 points, it moves me out of risk. Like hopefully we'll see it do here in a second. Come on, push down, closing your low. Okay. Oh, maybe I got set for 4 points, but I'm gonna get it. Okay, you out of risk. And I'm also gonna add on here.
Order filled.
Give it some time. I'll be back. Let it do what it do. This is it for today. If we can break lower here, I'll lock in tight. There we go, push down, push down. There we go. Let's get to have a winning day. Just make sure we have a winning day here. Yeah, keep on pushing. Come on, push down. Break lower, there you go. Ooh, break lower. Oh, that was a good push. All right, we up 10 points now. Oh, oh no. Lock in a little tighter here. Okay, now I'm gonna lock in behind this swing. And we hope we get one more push down. Just one more push down. Come on, one more push down. Fill that gap. Break lower. There you go. We're a long ways from EMA, so I'm more tempted to lock in tight here, you know, than anything else.
Stop
Should
fill.
have locked in tight. There you go. But we made $500 today. That's a good day. You know, take it. $500 is more than most people make at their job, and it is 10:14, so roughly 40 minutes, right? 40 minutes of work. Oh, look, people, look. I should have locked in tighter. I was not paying attention. We made the measured leg. We made the measured leg. I should have locked in tighter. We should have took about 700 out of here today. I was not looking. When this thing started to turn up, I knew it. And look at that measured leg to the tick, people. This is why I draw measured legs. So, you know, I knew that we could be coming here. My bad. But hey, again, it was a good trade. Good trading day. took our 3 shots. 1 bad shot. 1 bad shot and 2 good ones with trend. Let's see. Turn the data series back on. There they are. And I should have actually got more out of this one as an add-on. When I added on here, I should have locked in a little tighter. I should have got more out of this one too. Really should have. So we should have made a little bit more than we did today. It wasn't the greatest. I have to admit, it wasn't the greatest trade management because I had some stuff going on during this trade, unfortunately. But this one here was pretty. This was a pretty good run. Should have grabbed a little bit more cake on that one though. But again, we had a positive day. We followed our rules. We followed the process. You know what I'm saying? We're not gonna worry about the return on investment. We can't control that. But I did control my behavior today. I did control my risk. And you know, here was a bad shot. You know, I knew it was iffy. It hadn't broke higher. It was under the 21 EMA. Bad trade. Okay, bad trade. But this is exactly why I'm just starting with 1 contract, because if I make a mistake, it's not the end of the world. You know, I can come back. I'm not in jeopardy of blowing my account or anything, right? So that's exactly why I start off with the 1 contract. You know, like say adding on here could have been lovely. You know, here it worked out good, but look at that. It made the measure move. This is basically nothing but a trend down, trend break. 1, 2 legs down to a new low, which was exactly a measure move, and now we're reversing. Price action is king, people. Price action is king. But that's gonna wrap it up for this one. And I hope you guys learned something. And hey, we'll do this again. I enjoyed making this video, so we'll do another one like this soon. Until next time, my name is JD. Oh wait, well, since I'm signing off, if you want to learn price action trading, put a link. I got a link in the description. I just added everything you need, everything you see here. I added in the course under the future section. And I'm going to continue to update the course like I've been doing since it dropped, right? It's the most valuable course on the market because I keep updating it with wonderful price action trading strategies. And there's a price action system in there that's proven. It works. People love it. Check out the course if you haven't already. And hit that like button if you was digging this one. Want me to do it again? In the comments, write, do it again. Do it again, JD, if you like watching me trade. All right. So until next time, my name is JD, and as always, I wish you increase on the sudden. Bye-bye.